Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue that Samsung TV users often encounter. The Smart Hub is being updated error. This pesky notification can disrupt your viewing experience, but don't worry, we've got you covered with effective solutions to fix it for good. Let's dive in. Understanding the issue. Firstly, let's decode what causes this error. The Smart Hub is being updated message typically appears when your Samsung TV is in the process of downloading and installing updates for its Smart Hub system. While updates are crucial for performance and security, they can sometimes lead to this notification lingering longer than expected. Troubleshooting steps. Now, let's move on to the solutions. Here's how you can fix the Smart Hub is being updated error. Check internet connection. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable internet connection. A slow or intermittent connection can delay updates. Restart your TV sometimes. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your TV, unplug it from the power source, wait for a minute, and then plug it back in. Update Smart Hub manually. Navigate to the TV settings, find the Smart Hub section, and manually check for updates. This can prompt the TV to complete any pending updates immediately. Reset Smart Hub. If the issue persists, resetting Smart Hub can help. Go to settings greater than support greater than self-diagnosis greater than reset Smart Hub. This action clears any cached data and refreshes the Smart Hub settings. Update TV firmware. Ensure your TV's firmware is up to date. Go to settings greater than support, greater than software update, greater than update now. Installing the latest firmware can address underlying system issues. Conclusion. That wraps up. Encountering the Smart Hub as being updated error on your Samsung TV can be frustrating, but with these troubleshooting steps, you can resolve it effectively. Remember to stay updated with the latest firmware and periodically check for